To another, how to use and getting familiar with Stable Secretary. In this video, we will be online looking at the various uses for tags for your contacts. So in settings for tags, you have this option tags for people. And you can, just like creating tags, pick some people and create tags for them, modify them. But this is where you would see any and all kinds of tags that you have. You want to make sure you have some so you can use them for a couple of uses. We have another video using tags for horses where you can group them, together. There are more uses for tags for horses than there are tags for contacts, but we'll go through a couple that you can do. As always, there's the ability to filter your list of contacts just by tag, just by people who pop up in there. You can go by all of this, show all people, to wipe it off and get your whole list so you can quickly find people, specific contacts that you're looking for. So here in reports, there are a couple reports that you can filter by tag, and that is financial reports for our professional level subscribers. This invoices report, you are able to select certain tags to check their invoices. Down here in contact specific reports, contact information and this due dates report are able to be filtered by tag. Over here in financials, when you create multiple invoices, which is also called batch invoices, there is the ability to create, these simple invoices just by tag. So I've got 3 people in that tag. It's going to, make me 3 invoices, or I don't know if every one of the people in this tag has records, but I know there's more than 4 people, but it's going to fill in anyone that's got stuff to be invoiced. So that can make invoicing out your contacts, your clients, whoever, faster by doing batch invoices, number 1, and then by tags to get a specific group of people billed out all at once. I believe that the last use that we haven't gone over yet is adding service records by account. You can add by tags. So this is going to apply to our performance and professional level subscribers that have the ability to add these service records, which may or may not have a billing or fee next to them. So just like we can do add service records by horse, by tag, do the same thing for accounts. So you can just pick a tag and it's going to give you lines for all the people in there. You can pick your service, whatever you need to give to them, set the date, and save your records. And then so you can quickly create records or whatever you need to do for a specific group of people. Makes it really fast. So some of the uses are similar to tags for horses. There's just less places to use it because there's a little bit less to be done with contacts specifically, just because it's a horse management software. So that is using tags for contacts online. We've got a video for using tags on the mobile app for contacts. We've got videos for tags for horses. All that stuff, it's on our YouTube channel. We've got it on our support website. As always, if you ever have any questions, you need some guidance, you need some help, please reach out to us. We are available. We're going to help you out as best we can. Thanks.